Hi everyone, Tash here from eBECS. In this session, we're going to take a deep dive look into eBECS' vehicle weight tracking solution as part of our field service accelerator for Dynamics CRM. Many of our customers here at eBECS required a solution where they could be alerted when they'd allocated so many work orders to a resource which related to a van, when the weight of that van would be over its limit. Now, this limit could be based on the available weight that that van could actually physically carry, or it could relate to the amount of hazardous waste that might be allowed for a vehicle to carry. Now, these objects or vehicle weight is not something that's considered in the schedule assistant or the automatic routing engine of field service out of the box. So what we did here at eBECS is we created a solution that would allow for a scheduler to be able to visualize when a resource had been over allocated on work orders, resulting in their weight to be exceeded. What we did is we associated a weight to every product in the system. This weight could be a normal product weight or a hazardous product weight. We then recorded against a warehouse or a van or a truck the maximum amount of weight that truck would carry, the starting weight the truck had, and the maximum amount of hazardous or starting hazardous weight that truck had. How this then works is that you recall when we associate an incident type to a work order, it automatically brings over the estimated products that are needed for that work order. Now, when these estimated products come over to the work order, it then populates the work order with the estimated weight and hazardous weight that this work order will require in the van. It also then identifies if this work order is requiring you to pick up weight or pick up hazardous waste. This is all recorded against the work order. Then what happens when these work orders are scheduled via the automatic routing or through the schedule assistant, the scheduler visualizing the schedule board will be alerted if the weight is exceeded. Now, we support multiple types of exceedation of weight. It could mean that because of the weight, the driver now has to have an orange plate on, or perhaps because they're carrying hazardous weight, they need to wear an orange plate. So we visualize that through the schedule board. Or we could be visualizing the fact that the resource should not even be doing all these jobs, so all the future work orders become red in the day. When this happens, we can also automatically go and create a work order for return to base. This means that the resource, after finishing the job that meant that they would exceed their weight, would have to return back to the depot, empty their van, and then go off to do the rest of their jobs. And the stock weights within their van would be refreshed. I hope this session was valuable. If you have any questions, please contact us at ebecs.com. Thank you.